If you bought a domain from Hostinger and you're wondering how to get a refund, the first thing you need to know is this. Domain refunds are mostly non-refundable. So before you spend time looking for the refund button, it's important to understand the rules because not every domain purchase qualifies. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check whether your Hostinger domain is eligible for a refund, where to find the refund option, and what to do if you don't see it. I'll also point out a few important details that can save you time and help you avoid mistakes. If this guide helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to know the refund window. Hostinger domain refunds are only available in some cases, and usually only if you request a refund within 96 hours, which is 4 days, of purchase. That means if your domain was registered recently, you may still have a chance. But if too much time has passed, the refund option may no longer be available. There's also another important detail. Some domains are never refundable at all. This includes certain country-specific extensions such as .in and .uk, and there may be other domain types with the same restriction. So even if you are within the 4-day window, the domain extension itself may still make it non-refundable. Now let's walk through the steps. Step 1 is to log into your Hostinger account. Open Hostinger in your browser and sign in with the account that used to purchase the domain. Make sure you are using the correct account because if the domain was bought under a different login, you won't see the correct billing information. Once you're inside Hostinger, go to the billing section. From there, open payment history. This is where Hostinger keeps your invoices and purchase records, and it's the best place to check whether the domain is eligible for a refund. Next, look through your payment history and find the invoice for the domain you want to refund. If you have several purchases, take your time and make sure you select the right one. You want to confirm that the invoice matches the domain registration you're trying to cancel. After you find the correct domain invoice, check whether a refund button is visible. If the domain is eligible and still within the refund window, Hostinger may show you a refund option directly on the invoice page. If you see it, click Refund to begin the process. Once you click the refund option, follow the prompts and submit your request. Hostinger may ask you to confirm the refund details before the request is processed, so read everything carefully before submitting. After that, the refund request will be sent, and you'll need to wait for Hostinger to review and process it. If you do not see a refund button, that usually means one of two things. Either the domain is outside the 96-hour refund window, or the domain extension is not refundable. In that case, the best next step is to contact Hostinger support and ask them to confirm whether your domain can be refunded. They can check your purchase and tell you if any exception applies. And just a quick reminder, if your domain is important for a website, email, or brand name, think carefully before requesting a refund because once a domain is removed, it may not be available again later, so always double check before submitting the request. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into Hostinger, go to billing, open payment history, find your domain invoice, click refund if it's available, and submit the request. But remember, domain refunds are mostly non-refundable, and the 96-hour rule is the key thing to check first. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to refund a Hostinger domain. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.